Hello friends, welcome to Scott UG. I'm just glad that you're here onto this channel. I'm just very happy to see that you've just viewed this video. So let's try to do why you're here, and we just finish up with that. So you always happen to get this error whenever you try out to do something. Let me just do it with a shortcut. You always get this error. Don't mind about that. That's what you are going to solve. So all you need to do, you don't need to download anything. All you need to do is to have a Windows image onto your computer. So I have a compressed image here, so let me extract it. Okay, I'm extracting it. So as we are extracting it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscription button over here. You press the subscribe button and then you hit the bell icon so that you get the best content. So image is extracting. The other thing you need to have, you only need to look for your command prompt. All you need to do is to open to press the home button and then you type in cmd and then you click run as administrator. You right click and then select run as administrator. So well, we are done with our extraction. So let's try to do this. All you need to do is to mount this image. You mount it. So after mount, so you mark this. You mark the drive. The drive is H. So I'm going to give you the command. The command is right here. So you replace the letter of that drive which you have mounted the image onto with that letter. So if it is H, then you put H. If it is D, you put D. If it is Y, you put Y. So then after we copy all this and then we copy, then you go back. Remember I told you to launch command prompt as administrator. If you have already forgotten, we can do this again. cmd, oh yeah, cmd, and then you right click run as administrator. You click yes, and then all you need to do is to paste. Those who don't know how to paste, you just copy what you want to copy here, and then after that you right click on here. You just right click, sorry, I recopy it, and then I come over here, then I right click. Then after you enter, after pressing enter, you wait for some few minutes for it to be successful. It will show you that it's successful so long as the image you're having is Windows 10. So I think that's it. That's what I wanted to show you into this video. So let me just press enter. We meet in another video. God bless.